Rainy. Water is falling from the sky as rain. Why are the streets wet this morning? It's rainy. It rained all night. Rainy. Cloudy. The sky is full of clouds and blocks sunlight. Where did the bright sun rays go? The sky is cloudy and blocking the sun. Cloudy. Sunny. Bright and clear with lots of sunshine. Why is everyone wearing sunglasses today? Because it's sunny and bright outside. Sunny. Windy. Lots of wind blowing around. Why did my umbrella flip inside out? It's very windy outside right now. Windy. Stormy. Rough weather with strong wind, rain, and thunder. Why are all the parks and playgrounds closed today? It's stormy today. There's thunder and lightning. Stormy. Foggy. Thick, low cloud near the ground that makes it hard to see. Why can't I see the road ahead? It's foggy. Visibility is very low. Foggy. Snowy. Snow is falling from the sky and covering the ground. Why is there a snowplow clearing the road? It's pretty snowy now. The snow's starting to pile up. Snowy. Hail. Hard ice balls falling from the sky. Why are there tiny dents all over my car roof? Those are from the hail that's been falling all night. Hail. Lightning. Bright flash of electricity in the sky. Why did the sky suddenly light up? A lightning bolt just flashed across the sky. Lightning. Breeze. A soft, light wind. Why are the leaves softly rustling? There's a gentle breeze blowing. Breeze. Gust. A sudden strong burst of wind. What just blew my hat off? A sudden gust of wind came through out of nowhere. Gust. Haze. Air looks blurry due to smoke or dust. Why does the city skyline look blurry today? A haze caused by heat and pollution is hanging over the city. Haze. Drizzle. Light rain with very small drops. Why are the sidewalks damp even though there's no heavy rain? It's just a light drizzle passing through. Drizzle. Hot. Very warm or high temperature. Why is the pavement so hot to walk on? It's hot and the sun is strong. Hot. Cold. Low temperature that makes you feel chilly. Why am I shivering indoors? It's cold even inside the house. Cold. Humid. The air feels wet and sticky with moisture. Why did my glasses fog up as soon as I stepped outside? The air is super humid today. Humid. Chilly. A little cold but not freezing. Do I need a light jacket this evening? It's a bit chilly as the sun sets. Chilly. Thunder. Loud booming sound after lightning. What was that loud booming noise? That was thunder following the lightning. Thunder. Overcast. Sky is fully covered with clouds and no sunlight. Why does the sky look gray all day? It's overcast with thick clouds. Overcast. Shower. Quick and short rainfall. Will it rain all day? No, just a few passing showers. Shower. Frosty. Cold enough for ice to form on things. Why are the windows covered in white crystals? It's frosty because it got very cold overnight. Frosty. Icy. Covered with ice and very slippery. Why is the lake considered unsafe these days? It's really icy and can crack easily. Icy. Sleet. Rain mixed with snow or ice that falls to the ground. What's making that crunchy noise outside? It's sleeting. Rain mixed with ice. Sleet. Scorching. Extremely hot and burning. Why do the metal poles at the playground feel burning hot? It's scorching today. The sun's heating up everything. Scorching. Freezing. Very cold, at or below 0 degrees Celsius. Why are the pipes frozen? It's freezing cold this week. Freezing. Gloomy. Dark and dull weather that feels sad. Why does the whole town feel a bit down today? It's gloomy out. The sky's been dark all day. Gloomy. Misty. Light fog, often in the morning. What's causing the view to be so blurry? It's misty with low-hanging fog. Misty. Clear. No clouds in the sky. Bright and sunny. Are you up for some stargazing tonight? Sure, the sky is clear. We can see the stars perfectly. Clear. Dewy. Wet with tiny water drops from the morning air. Why are the flowers lightly dripping with water? They're covered in dewy moisture. dewy, slippery, easy to slip on because it's wet or icy. Do you think it's safe to go for a drive right now? Nope, the ground is slippery with ice. Your tires could slip off track. Slippery. Rainbow. Colorful arc in the sky after rain. What is everyone taking photos of outside? A rainbow just appeared after the rain. Rainbow. Snowflake. A tiny, pretty piece of falling snow. What landed on my glove just now? A delicate snowflake just fell. Snowflake. Wind chill. How cold it feels because of the wind. Why does it feel colder than the thermometer says? The wind chill is making it feel colder. Wind chill. UV index shows how strong the sun rays are. Should I apply sunscreen? Yes, the UV index is very high today. UV index. Temperature tells how hot or cold the air is. What's the temperature outside? It's 22 degrees Celsius now. Temperature. Moisture. Tiny water drops in the air or on things. Why does my window have droplets on it? That's moisture from the humid air. Moisture. Forecast. The weather prediction for the coming days. Is it going to rain this weekend? Yes, the forecast predicts some scattered showers. Forecast. Climate. Usual weather of a place over a long time. Why do people wear jackets even in the summer here? Because the climate is generally cool all year round. Climate. Air quality. How clean or polluted the air is. Is it a good idea to exercise outside? No, the air quality is poor today. Air quality. Gale. Very strong wind that can cause damage. Why are the trees bending so much? A gale is blowing very hard. Gale. Thunderstorm. Storm with thunder, lightning, and heavy rain. Why did the outdoor event get canceled today? A severe thunderstorm is expected in the area. Thunderstorm. Flash flood. Sudden flooding after heavy rain. Why is the river overflowing so quickly? A flash flood happened after the rain. Flash flood. Dust storm. Strong wind that blows a lot of dust into the air. Why are people keeping their windows tightly shut? A dust storm is blowing, making the air dusty and hard to breathe. Dust storm. Blizzard. Snowstorm with strong wind and poor visibility. Why is the airport closed this morning? A blizzard has caused severe travel delays. Blizzard. Avalanche. Large snowslide down a mountain. Why is the mountain trail closed? An avalanche warning was issued. Avalanche. Thunderclap. Loud sudden bang of thunder. What was that sudden loud boom? That was a thunderclap from the storm. Thunderclap. Drought. A long time with no rain and very dry land. Why are the fields dry and cracked? Because of a severe drought. Drought. Heat wave. Many very hot days in a row. Why are all the ice cream shops busy? A heat wave is making everyone want cold treats. Heat wave. Pressure. The weight of air that affects the weather. Why do some people feel dizzy before rain? Changes in air pressure can cause dizziness. Pressure.